Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Cooking Goth, and tonight I'm going to make for you some fucking chocolate chip cookies. I got the recipe from joyfoodsunshine.com, and this is how you do it. You'll need 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 cups of chocolate chips, 2 eggs, 1 cup of softened salted butter, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract or the fake shit, 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Yeah, I threw the bag away before I filmed this part. Half teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of sea salt. First, mix your flour, baking soda, and baking powder together and set aside. In another bowl, cream your butter and both sugars together. Mix in your vanilla extract. Next is your eggs, and blend until fully combined. Now mix your dry ingredients in a little at a time until all is combined. And now mix in your chocolate chips with a spoon so you don't break up the chips more. Preheat your oven to 375. Now form little balls of dough and place on a parchment-lined baking sheet and bake for about 8 to 10 minutes. I baked mine for 20 because they were a little bit big. Now cool for a few minutes. And now for the taste test. Oh, that looks perfect. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah. No puppy dog, you can't have any. Mm-hmm. These are good. Mm. I'm gonna need some milk. But yeah, these are good. Maybe I should have baked them a little bit less. Maybe, I don't know, 17 minutes. I made mine too big, so I had to bake them for around 20. Maybe I should have done a little less, but yeah, I'm gonna go away for a while and eat these with a big glass of milk. Have a great night, everyone.